So now you have to click on this, and now here it is running in terminal, and you can also input like 4879. So you can see that it is working fantastic. And hey guys, welcome back in another video. So in this video I will teach you how you can download MinGW-w64 in your laptop or PC, and how you can compile your C program in VS Code using this MinGW. So I will give you the link of this website in the description box. You can check it out, and just you have to download this. Okay, so I have already downloaded. So here is the MinGW get setup.exe. Just you have to click on this, and you have to install this. This is save in your C drive. Okay, you can, if you want to change, you can change also. And you have to wait for a moment because this is a long process of installing this BGW. Okay. Okay, now this is appear in your screen. Now just do what I am doing. Click on the first and mark set as mark for installation, and second also mark for installation, and this the GNU C++ compiler also, and the GNU Objective C compiler also. So now click on installation, apply changes, and apply, and wait for a moment. Okay, now it is downloaded. So you have, what you have to do is to go to your file, go to C drive, and here you can see MinGW. Click on this and click on bin. Just copy the path. Okay. After copying, just type this environment variable, and okay. Now you have to click on environment variable, and here you have to search in system variable, search path. So it is here path. Click on and click on this, and you have to just click on new and paste it here. Okay, and okay, okay, okay. Now you have to search text type cmd, and here you have to type gcc hyphen hyphen version. So here you can see it is completely downloaded. Okay, now what you have to do is just let me close this. Just you have to open your VS Code, and here I have already typed the C programming. Okay, this is a programming in matrix, and you have to click on file. No file. You have to click on terminal. Run. I think you have to click on file settings. Okay, so you have to click on this settings and settings, and here extend click on extensions and search for run code configuration. Okay, now what you have to do is to just I have already run in terminal. Okay, so the when you compile this or run the code, you have to run you have to click on this. If you didn't click, so you have to click on this so that the code run in terminal. Okay, now what you have to do is just to create a uh, uh, just look what I am doing in terminal. Just click on this and click on this. Okay, so this tasks.json, this I have already texted, and you have to text. I will give you this in the box in the description box, and you have to just copy this and paste in this. Okay, and just click on Control Shift and B. It will be compiled, and so now you have to click on this, and now here it is running in terminal, and you can also input like 4879. So you can see that it is working fantastic in this. Okay, so the main purpose is just you have to download MinGW, and just you have to go to terminal and this configure and click on this, and you have to create a task.json file, and you have to just this I will you have to just uh, you have to just copy this from the description box and paste it here, and just press Ctrl Shift and B button to compile this program, and then close this, and here you can run your C program or C plus program in VS Code. And also go to setting what I have told you, just here and click on yeah, there's a run code configuration which is in extensions, and you have to tick. Okay, you have to check whether it is clicked or not. If it is not clicked, just click on this, and that's all for this video. And now the C program is running in your VS Code, so I hope this works you. Okay, thank you for watching this video.